if you're not ready to deal with this kind of weather, don't become a truck driver. And if you are that driver that drives 70 miles an hour through snow, realize that there's some of us out here who want to make it home to their families, you know. So all I do is pray to God that I make it home safe, and you know, just be safe out there, guys. I don't know if you guys heard about Buffalo, New York, with their snowstorms. You know, it's horrible. I'm in Ohio right now, and it's the snow's on and off, and just got to be safe out here, guys. You can't be trying to go chase the bag and you end up, you know, stuck in a ditch thinking you should speed through this kind of weather conditions, and next thing you know, you're stuck in a ditch for 8 hours because the wrecker, you know, he's not going to rush for you and there's other cars and other vehicles stuck. Just stay safe out there, guys.